No peace deal without Free Palestine State. Turkey. Israeli Labour Party rejects Netanyahu's coalition offer. US and UAE enter new defense cooperation pact. Regime attacks kill 13 in Syria's de-escalation zones. US and Bolton says Iran behind attacks on oil tankers. Tehran denies US claims that it targets oil tankers. Iran could talk with US if sanction lifted. Rouhani. Military rulers order rebel leader to leave Sudan. Nigeria's Buhari sworn in for second term. Army chief pardons Myanmar soldiers killing Rohingya. Peace talk brings Afghanistan closer to peace. Indian troops and civilian clash in Kashmir.